Okay guys, I am getting ready for the last day of 2021 and I'm going to document it. I'm going to take you with me, talk about some of my goals that I have for 2022. And yeah, I'm just going to talk to a couple of my family members, things like that. Y'all, I'm in the bathroom right now getting ready for the day. But this year I had a lot of growth, a lot of stretching, a lot to fall apart in my life. But anyway, I'm not going to go into that. We're just going to document today, the very last day of 2021. And so I want to say my words and foundation going into 2022 are gratitude, consistency, and perseverance. Anyway, guys, I will see you in just a few minutes. We're going to just go the whole day together. All right, see you soon. Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready to go out for the day. The last day of 2022. So I'm wondering, am I going to do this? Am I doing this? Let me see. Let me show y'all. So thinking about this for the day. Am I just giving too much? Is that too much for the day? We'll see. We'll see what I decide. I don't know. What y'all think? Not that you'll be able to let me know, but this is what I'm thinking. Okay, so I am about to head on out and I'm going to, first I got to go to the bank, guys. I've got to move some money around before 2022. So I'm going to go do that and meet up with some friends. And then later on, I'm going to go to, probably just for like an hour, I'm going to go out to a club. That's what people do on New Year's, honestly. I love being at home here lately, just chilling out, you know. But anyway, I am about to head over to the bank, grab my daughter. We're going to let her come on video too and just see what her words are for 2022. And so I'm excited to let 2021 be in my rear view, guys. It's been a year of transformation, a year of stretching, a year of a whole lot of things just kind of falling apart. But, you know, things fall apart. They fall back together. God is good. It's just been a year that I'm ready. I'm ready for 2022. So anyway, guys, I will continue to vlog throughout the day. Let's go on and meet my daughter here shortly, and I'll keep you guys with me all day today. I'm looking forward to going through the whole evening, and yeah. So, oh, also, guys, I am on call. I'm on call today, Friday, all the way through next Friday. So you guys might get a little bit of that. I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing today. So I am on the road. I am going to pick up Devondria. We're going to do some errands for, yeah, the last day of 2021. And I'm so grateful, you guys. I'm grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for 2021. I am, even though it has been a year. So, yeah, I'm grateful. So anyway, we'll be getting her real shortly, and I'm going to put her on camera. I hope she is okay with that. You know, sometimes she gets a little touchy because, you know, we like to be looking our best, you know. Anyway. But I'm like, look, we're going to keep it all the way real and all the way live. All right? Okay. Okay, guys. So I have Devondria here with me. That's my baby, one of my babies. I want to ask her, like, what are her plans or what are her words moving into 2022 that will define how she reaches her goals, how she lives her life, and all of the above. As you guys know, mine is gratitude, consistency, and perseverance. I think I'm going to try to scale it down a little bit. I actually wanted to add energy to that, but anyway. Devondria, what are yours? What do you think you're going to, you know, what's going to define you? What are you going to work on?
I like gratitude, definitely gratitude, organization, consistency.
You can't take mine.
And perseverance.
Oh, you're going to take all of them? Okay.
Okay, well, that's all I got.
Okay, thank you so much for being on my last video of 2021. Thank you, boo. Okay, so, hi, how are you? Thank you. Yeah, no, a table. Yeah. So I'm meeting my friends. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's kind of loud in here, but I'm just getting here. Hey, y'all. Hey. Wait. I gotta turn this around. Okay, guys, we are talking to Terry. Terry, what is the word that is going to define you going into 2022? Let me tell you what mine are. Mine are gratitude, perseverance, and consistency. What do you think you're going to use going into 2022?
I like perseverance, but I think consistency, I think prayerfulness, and prayerfulness, and I think being humble. Humble and humility probably are going to be the two words that I'm going to think of. So I'm going to try to use those words, as I've always done, to sort of just make sure that, you know, I keep myself humble in everything that I do, because I think that's important.
Thank you, Miss Terry. All right, Miss T, what about you? What are your words going into 2022? You heard mine, right?
I heard yours.
Okay.
I'm thinking wisdom.
Wisdom, okay.
Wisdom. You know, one of the things that we should pray for many times is wisdom. I'm not a prayer of patience, because tribulation worketh patience. So I don't want any more problems in my life, but to be able to learn and to understand from the things that happen around me, in my life, and the lives of other people around me, wisdom. And to be able to exercise it, to take life to just a whole nother meaning. Gratitude, that's a big one. Understanding and appreciating what I have in life and what I have to offer life, and just having the wisdom to know the difference of when to walk away and when to stay and when to hold them and all of that good stuff.
All right, now y'all heard it here first. Hold on, let me see. Let me switch it around. So y'all heard it here first. We got humility. We got prayerfulness. We got consistency and gratitude. And we also have humbleness. And then we have over here what my girlfriend said over here about, did you say prayerfulness? Oh, wisdom going into 2022. All right, y'all. I'm going to check back with y'all for the rest of my day. I think I might be going over to a club tonight. I know, I'm going to Noir. Just for a few minutes. I know. Sit myself down somewhere. Omarion is going to get me. I know it's Omicron, but I'm saying Omarion is going to get me. Anyway, all right, y'all. Bye. Okay, guys. So I'm just sitting in the driveway getting ready to go in. But I just got done having lunch with my girls. Lunch, dinner, whatever, you know. For me, it's all encompassing. Because I only eat once a day. So, yeah. But yeah, so I'm going to talk to a couple more people, put more people on my video for the end of 2021. So yeah, guys, I've been enjoying having you guys with me today. And yeah. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I've been running the streets all day. I'm tired. It's New Year's Eve. My people want to go out. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Y'all, I am going to do a clubhouse room for about an hour. And I'm sleepy. I'm old. So going out is just not a big draw for me. Just chilling would be nice, really. But I think they're going to pull me out, drag me out for like an hour. I'll take you guys with me. But that's not really what that wouldn't be my ideal evening. You know, I can Netflix and chill, honestly. But I'm going to do this. My family's here and whatnot. So anyway, we'll see how that goes, guys. All right. I'll see you guys there. I might do a little I'm probably going to talk to a couple of my family members about their words going into 2022. So you guys can meet a couple of them. Yeah, if they'll let me film them. All right, guys, we'll see. Okay, guys, so my niece is here. Her name is Portia. So I'm going to ask her the same thing I've been asking everybody all day going into 2022. What words will define, I guess, her journey or, going into 2022? Here she is. I'm going to flip the camera towards her. Okay, Niecy Poo. So my words going into 2022, I can't see your face, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Are gratitude, consistency, and perseverance. I have had a year. So going into 2022, those are the words that are going to be defining me. And yeah, what about you? Have you thought about anything?
No. I haven't thought about anything, but if I had to say, I don't know.
Why are you trying to act shy?
I'm not. I'm just trying to think.
Oh.
I'm trying to think. I think grateful would be a
Grateful?
good word. Mm-hmm. Grateful.
Okay, so gratitude.
Yeah.
Cool.
Gratitude a lot. That I'm grateful because my husband has been here, and it's just shown me a lot. Like, I'm able to do things myself. I don't have to depend on him. Like, I've noticed that I can do more than what I thought since he's been gone. Like, since I've been picking up the slack and everything like that. With everything.
With the family?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Where's he been gone to?
He's been in Korea.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, he's military?
Yes.
Of course you know I know.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
All right. So gratitude. God, I've been hearing that a lot today. Gratitude has been the word going in 2022. So we shall let gratitude move us forward. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so I tried to record me being on Clubhouse the same time. I wanted to record it. I tried to record it. Epic fail. Didn't happen. So tonight on Clubhouse, we had a room. The room that we started tonight with my dear friend Coco and another young lady named Jamaica. We started Queens, Nursing Queens, and pretty much just empowering women, inspiring women in that room. But tonight was a really, really good night because we talked about, moving into 2022 and leaving 2021 behind. But we also talked about how we move in this world, how we flow, And my girlfriend Coco was talking about how she wants to glow and flow into her 2022, whereas some of us other ladies were talking about rising and grinding and doing our thing and getting things done. And she pointed out that is exactly a very masculine, she said it was a very masculine way of looking at things. And she rejected it, and she just didn't want to, she wanted to look at it differently. And then Jamaica came in and she just blew it all out. She just told us basically, it's okay. There's a time and a place for rising and grinding. There's also a time and a place to go slow and flow and glow, to harmonize both of those worlds together, to be balanced, to be a whole person. She didn't say balance. I'm using balance. She said she don't like balance because when you try to balance things, things fall apart. So tonight in Clubhouse, the room was successful. We had about 24 ladies come through the room, which was nice. We shared. It was just amazing. I love it. And I'm loving that we're going to be doing it every Friday. I hope you guys will join me in Clubhouse. And so that was good, guys. So the next thing you're going to see, I'm thinking I'm going to be getting dressed for this New Year's Eve extravaganza. Anyway, y'all know I prefer to just be in the bed, but I'm going to do this for probably an hour. I'm feeling some kind of way about what's going on in the world right now, so I'm just going to mask up and I'm going to bring in 2022. Maybe I'll go late and get there just in time to bring in the new year. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about being out here. We're going to, a Fat Man Scoop is going to be there. So I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me for a little bit of it. All right. We'll see you in a second. Okay, guys, we are about to go out for the evening, and I am dressed and ready to go. My ladies are there. My niece and my daughter are there. Say hey, hey, hey. They ready. They ready. So okay, so we're getting ready, and yeah, so we're headed to the club. Really? Okay. Okay, guys, we are about to go out for the evening, and I am dressed and ready to go. My ladies are there. My niece and my daughter are there. Say hey, hey, hey. They ready. They ready. So okay, so we're getting ready, and yeah, so we're headed to the club. Really? Okay. We're headed out. Let me tell y'all, it's 10:46. I know I shouldn't be as tired as I am, but I am tired. And I haven't even done anything. I mean, we're just now getting ready to go. But yeah, y'all see my little cute little bandage dress. But anyway, we're headed out, and yeah, I'm really ready to be done. But I'm just hoping that for the last couple minutes I'll be okay. I don't get anything. I don't catch anything, you guys. I know. Okay.
And as someone who got really sick and was in the hospital, I understand. With that being said, all you can do is put your trust in God. Go lock with my man who hooks me up with all my holistic stuff, and do what you gotta do. With that being said, we're gonna take it to 2022. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
So that's all. Goodbye, 2021. Happy New Year's, guys. I am Dr. Jamesia, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.